everyone! Do you ever watch a tutorial and find that the stitches are just going far too fast for you and you can't keep up? Or do you have the opposite problem? People are just crocheting so slow and won't get on with it? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can adjust the speed settings for any YouTube video to get the tutorial to be at the perfect crochet speed for you. I'm going to show you how you do it on a mobile device alongside how you do it on a laptop or desktop computer. So first of all, to change the speed of a video on mobile, you need to select the video that it is you want to watch, and once it is loaded and it's in your screen, you'll see up the top here there are three little dots on the top right hand side of your video. If you click those, the settings come up down the bottom, and the one you want to choose is playback speed. Now it's by default set to normal. These numbers here speed the video up. These lower numbers slow the speed down. So you can take it right down so that it is going super duper slowly, which is fantastic if you want to really see in slow motion exactly what it is that I am doing. If you've taken it down too slow, touch those dots again and you can change the playback speed to whatever it is that you are comfortable with. Okay, let me pop this phone away and I will show you how to do this on a laptop or on your computer. So it's very similar on a PC or laptop. You want to open up the video that it is you want to watch and let it load. Then, to change the speed settings, you want to look for this little cog icon here. It's in the bottom right-hand corner. Click that cog and up will open the same options as on mobile, and you can choose the playback speed to make it faster or slower for you. So I hope this quick video has helped you with adjusting your speed settings so you can find the perfect speed for any tutorial that you want to watch.